In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Google Sites fast and easy. Google Sites is a fantastic tool for quickly putting together a professional-looking landing page without the need for any coding skills. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Google Sites. If you're not sure where to find it, you can just type Google Sites into your Google search bar, and it should be the first link that pops up. Once you click that link, you'll be directed to the Google Sites homepage. Here you'll see a plus sign that says blank. Click on that to start from scratch, or, if you prefer, choose from a simple template that catches your eye. Starting with a template can save you some time and give you a basic structure to build on. Once you've opened your blank site or chosen a template, it's time to give your site a name. This is crucial because it starts to define what your page will communicate to visitors. Think of it as setting the first impression. So choose a name that's clear and relevant to your content. Once you've named your site, the next step is setting up a single page layout. To do this, you'll want to make sure you're on the Pages tab located in the right side panel. Here you might see a list of multiple pages. Go ahead and delete any extra pages you don't plan on using by clicking on the three dots next to each page and selecting Delete. Now, it's time to rename the main page to something that reflects its purpose. A good example would be simply Home or Landing Page. This will help keep everything organized and make it easy for you to navigate your site later on. Heading to the top of your page, it's time to add a hero section or top banner. Use the Insert menu and select Text Box to add a headline to your hero section. This headline should be compelling and clearly state what your offer or service is about. Next, under the same Insert menu, add a button like Sign Up Now or Buy Now. This kind of call to action button is key for engaging your visitors, encouraging them to take the next step. Once you've got your basic elements in place, let's move on to customizing the design of your page. Go to the Themes in the right panel and find a theme that matches your brand's colors. Feel free to change the banner or header image by clicking on the header area and selecting Change Image. And remember, when choosing fonts, opt for bold and simple styles to maintain clarity and avoid clutter. Finally, once you're happy with the look and feel of your site, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button at the top, and you'll be prompted to choose your web address. Select a unique address that reflects your brand or content. And there you have it. You now have a stylish, functional landing page on Google Sites, ready to share with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.